Hello everyone! Now that you have set up your GLM parameters, let's see how you can visualize and interpret the results. After you click on Go, a window will pop up where you can select the contrast to display on the topo view by ticking the boxes in the Select Map column. For now, let's click on Close and return to the main window. The fitted model for each channel can be seen in the Selected Channel view on top of the Channel Time series. Two files will be created when performing a single study GLM corresponding to two result maps, a beta map and a T map. The beta map displays the beta values for the three chromophores, oxy, deoxy, and total for each channel. These files are located in the data folder or the participant or run we are running the GLM on. Let's look at them one by one. To see the beta map, go to Analysis, and then Overlay Channel Map. In the window that pops up in the Browse tab, you will see a list of maps corresponding to the conditions included in the analysis as well as a constant. By default, they are all selected. For this analysis, we will be interested in viewing one contrast at a time. Let's untick the second condition and the constant for now. We then click the Update button to make sure that the new values are applied to the map and click on Close to go back to the Satori main window and see the updated map. Each channel in the topo view now displays 3 bars. Each bar corresponds to the beta for each chromophore, oxy, deoxy, and total. The larger the beta value, the greater the response is in that channel. Now, you may want to know if those responses are significantly different from the baseline or significantly different between conditions. To know that, we look at the second map that was created, the T map, by again going to Analysis, and then Overlay Channel Map. And this time we select the T map. We again are selecting only one contrast to visualize at a time. Click the Update button and close the window. Reliable activations, as shown by significant T values, will be displayed with bars with height proportional to the T value. If you selected several contrasts to view at the same time, there will be 1 bar per contrast and chromophore, oxy, deoxy, total, with the contrast color-coded with the same colors as in the GLM setup window. Channels where the response is not statistically significant will be empty. You can change the significance threshold and method for correction for multiple comparisons in the Channel Maps tab again, this time clicking the Statistics tab. Here you can choose between the false discovery rate FDR Bonferroni thresholding or setting a manual threshold. Please note that the confidence interval values depend on the significance threshold, so their values will be grayed out for FDR and Bonferroni. If you click the radio button for manual thresholding, you will be able to change the confidence range, which is the range of t-values you want Satori to consider statistically significant. That's all for single study GLM. See you in the next video.